Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you about how to start your webcam in Python using a library which is OpenCV. OpenCV is a famous library in Python which is used for audio and video processing. And in this example I will be writing a Python script in which you will be able to show your webcam. So if I run the script, if I just give you the short overview, if I it is running the script here, and you can see that now it has started my webcam and now you can see me. So we will be looking to build it from scratch using OpenCV. Let me just close this. So there is a shortcut which is applied, which is X key on the keyboard. So you will also be able to uh, build it from scratch. So let me just delete all the code. As I already told you, you need this library which is OpenCV. So just go to your command line and write this command which is pip install and then OpenCV dash Python. So this is a library OpenCV dash Python, and execute this script, execute this command onto your command line. I have already installed it, so I will not install it once again. So now after installing it, let me just zoom in so that you can see. First of all, I will import the library, import the OpenCV library. So it will be a simple import statement, import cv2. So this is a, you can see that Python wrapper for OpenCV. Now after importing this library, we will make a simple object of video. So just declare a video object, and inside this we will use cv2, and there is a method inside this which is video capture. You can see that video capture is a method, and inside this takes the object, and the 0 we need to pass here for the video. Write this. So you will see this red option appearing because this is a Visual Studio Code error. So the code is correct. You will also see it if you are building in Visual Studio Code. After this, we will initialize the loop, while true. Inside this loop, we will first of all get the frame. Frame is equal to, and we will read the video. So there is a read method inside this. Read this. So we will get the video frames and we will store these frames inside the frame variable. And after this we need to display these frames. So there is a display method also which is there, which is ImShow. So this is a method, guys, ImShow. So this is used to display those frames which are captured from the camera, web camera. So we can just, first of all, it is a, you can give it any name of your choice, but I will be giving frame, and the second argument is the actual frames that we are getting, like this. After this, guys, after showing the frames, we also need to have a hotkey on the keyboard. If I press this key, then the application will stop. So inside this we will have a if block. So cv2, and there is a method which is wait key. So this is a method, guys, wait key, and inside this we will pass 1, and also a and condition like this. And this is a hexadecimal code. You need to write 0xff. So this is a code, and then we need to equal the key. So we will use the ord function, and there inside this function we will pass a specific character. Let's suppose I want the key to be small q, so we will pass the small q like this, put a colon, and inside this what we want, we need to close the application. For that we will simply break, like this, break keyword we will write, that's it. And now we need to go outside this while loop. So indentation is very much important in Python. So we need to go out of the while loop, and two statements we need to write. First of all, we need to release the video by using the release method which is there, video release. And secondly, we need to also destroy the window. So cv2, there is a method which is destroy all windows. So this is a method, destroy all windows, that's it. So this completes the application. Now if I run this by executing python app.py, so what you will see, it will execute this Python script. So it is telling to me that type error inside this. Let me just see. uh, Inside this frame is equal to, I think that we have made a mistake here. We need to declare one other variable, which is ret. So just declare this variable, guys, ret comma frame. That's it. Just do this modification and let me run the script once again. And now you will see that, guys. Now you can see the webcam. If I press the Q key, the application will close. And you can change the hotkey. You need to add this variable, which is ret comma frame. That's it. And I can just change the hotkey. Let's suppose Q to G key. And once again, if I run the script python app.py, and you will see your webcam. If I press the Q key, the application will not close. I need to press the G key in order to close the application. That's it. So this was the simplest of application on how to use the OpenCV library in Python in order to show your webcam in Python application. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.